Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Lack of proteins and vitamins can alter functions such as repairing and creating new cells, tissues, hormones, enzymes and muscles. Green leafy vegetables are some of the nutritious foods that can contribute to healthy living and supply to our body the daily need of nutrients. One such leafy vegetable is Aibika, known also as hibiscus spinach, hibiscus manat, sunset hibiscus, Aibika, bell, donjeti, lettuce tree or Queensland greens. In some Asian countries, Aibika is found every day at roadside markets, main rural and urban markets, and supermarkets, an indication of its popularity. The stems can be green or red and the flowers are pale yellow with a dark purple eye. This plant is a perennial in the subtropics and the tropics but an annual in cooler climates. It was formerly considered a species of hibiscus, hence the synonym hibiscus manat, but is now classified in the genus Aibika. This lettuce tree is a fast-growing, woody shrub that can reach a height of up to 3 meters and comes from Southeast Asia. The flower buds and leaves are both edible, raw or cooked. It can contribute to healthy living as it has a high content of some of the essential nutrients that our body requires. The leaves are very nutritious as they contain calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, manganese, sodium, copper and zinc. Also, like the mostly green veggies, contain vitamin A, B1, B2, B6 and C. The leaves contain mucilage, that is what gives it the slightly slimy feel in your mouth when eaten alone. This substance is good for the stomach, lungs and nervous system. These vegetables contain 29% proteins and the essential amino acids isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, valine and histidine, which cannot be made by the body and must be obtained from foods. The Aibika leaf has 20 times more vitamin A than cabbage and lettuce. In addition, when you use them in your daily diet, bones will increase in density, helping you to prevent osteoporosis and other bone disorders. Aibika leaves contain flavonoid compounds help deal with seizures due to epilepsy, antidepressants and help protect the benefits of brain nerves. Also, the Aibika leaves can help reduce the possibility of cardiovascular diseases such as heart disease. People who experience heart problems, high blood pressure and high cholesterol can consume these leaves daily as vegetable. That's because Aibika leaves also contain fiber which can lower the bad cholesterol levels and fat will be removed from the body. Its high protein level makes it a great plant for adding to vegetarian or vegan diets. Possibilities to use these leaves as vegetables are endless. Can be used in sandwiches, salads, soups, stews, fried mixed vegetable, tea or smoothies. A quarter cup of finely chopped fresh leaves infused in 1 cup of boiling water is useful for easing the sore throats, mouth ulcers, digestive upsets and other stomach complaints. A handful of Aibika leaves, half a cup of grape berries, an apple, a pinch of vanilla and milk or vegetable yogurt will give you a high protein smoothie full with protein and vitamins. Hoping you like the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.